Juan Carlos Duron-Martinez is a self-taught artist living in Wilson, North Carolina. At 27, he works during the day as a server and bartender. But in between life's have-tos and mojitos, he paints. Juan Carlos started painting at an early age. Inspired by his sister, he picked up drawing caricatures and quickly evolved to landscapes and portraits. His work is always colorful, layered, and evolving, much like Juan Carlos himself.
Being an artist in Wilson is actually really fun. We have a very tight-knit community here, and we have a lot of support from the people around us, so I really enjoy it. It wasn't up until the last 2 years that I actually kind of admitting to myself that I was talented. I mean, I always knew that I had the skill, but it was just kind of hard for me to admit it to myself almost.
Humble nature aside, Juan Carlos is a talented artist who is on the rise. He recently had his first solo show at the Hammond Gallery. By the end of the exhibit, almost all of his pieces were sold. The work pays better than serving drinks, so now he's preparing for his next exhibit in the fall.
That I'll be having a solo show that's coming up August for Eyes on Main Street, which is a gallery here in Wilson on Goldsboro Street.
Juan Carlos is one of many artists who have made their home in Wilson. This tiny southern town has a history of giving visionary minds space to be themselves, to question what they see, to ask, what if? We find this makes for a pretty colorful place to visit. If you agree, consider yourself invited. Get your what ifs ready and let your imagination go.